we're going to take this trim panel off. Just use a trim tool. If you can get underneath right here, if you have a pretty thin one, try to pry that up a little bit. Just like that, and get underneath. And flip this over. There's some clips that held it down. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. If you need to, you can use a pick or a screwdriver. And slide that connector off. Now on the back side of here, there's 3 screws. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those screws out. And the switch comes right off. Now take the new switch plate, slide it in position, take the screws, get those started. And take a Phillips head screwdriver and snug these down. Take the switch plate, line up the connector, lock it down, and line it up, and lock it in place.